Welcome back to Audit the Law. In this video, you're going to see a man get approached and profiled by officers of the San Jose Police Department for basically owning a Mercedes. They limit this man's ability to call and speak to someone, and all he was doing was grabbing food to take home to his family. Now, I want to start by saying the registration on this vehicle was expired, and that's why this whole interaction took place, but this man hadn't committed any crime, and this was the kind of treatment he got from these cops. It was clear they profiled him because of the car he drove, and this video is brought to us by the channel The Last Castle, news by We the People. The owner of this channel was actually working as security at the facility where this took place, and he started recording because of how these officers were acting towards this man who had done nothing wrong. Be sure to go subscribe to his channel, and let's check out this interaction.
Do is just, I'm kind of like thinking like, guys really fucking stop me on my way in to get dinner for my daughter and shit, or breakfast. It's kind of irritating. Yeah, you like the car, that's what it is.
Wow. Security, make an incident report, racial profile. Racial profile.
Huh?
They racial profile. As soon as they pulled in the parking lot,
Say what?
he racial profiling.
What is that?
This was when they pick on Mexicans or blacks. First thing he said was, you're on parole or probation, and you're driving a BMW, a Mercedes in a place like this.
That's fucked up.
Yeah, he racial profiling. But because he on probation and roll has nothing to do with it, he pulled in the parking lot.
Right,
He
he's
parked.
already.
He gets out his car. You didn't pull him over. You walked up to him.
And it was the white one, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
he racial profiling.
Right.
I mean, I got family law enforcement. You know?
Man, that's fucked up. Hi, how are you, sir?
Hey, man. I don't know what you want me to say.
I don't know what you want me to say either.
Racial profile. It's good. Good morning. I got family California Highway Patrol, Oakland PD, SFPD. See, they racial profiling. See, now, if he had blurred him or they had committed a crime, that's one thing. But you walked up to them. Racial profiling. They racial profiling.
Hi, how are you?
Right now. They're
Hi.
kind of
Do me a favor, can you just stand over there on the sidewalk, please? So I don't have to keep checking my back. I'll come over and I'll explain to you everything.
She's good. She's more than 10 feet. You're good. You're good. You're good. I'm sorry. No, I'm just saying I'm taking a stand back because they racial profiling. I got it on tape. They pulled in, he backed in,
tripping, really tripping. Move out of here.
and then he made a comment about it. Like
So
a
they
Mexican,
just-
like a
So
Mexican
usually
get up.
parked up and they just went up to him?
Yeah, they was walking in, he was bringing you breakfast. It'd been different if he blurped them or, pulled him over.
Yeah, they can't do that. I don't know why they think.
And they immediately with the race card, you're on parole or probation.
Yeah,
Take the food to her? I'll bring it over to you if that's what you want.
yeah.
They only doing that because they can't get it. But when you said it was breakfast for the daughter, they denied it.
Yeah, so it's just the car's check tinted. It's expired this year, and he says it's on probation, so it's a probation visit. Okay? It's not anything to get all hyped up about. Doesn't matter if they're parked or not.
Excuse me, officer.
Yes,
Being
sir.
that I have family, Oakland PD, FFPD, California Highway Patrol, DA.
Okay.
It was kind of insulting to say like a Mexican can't own a Mercedes Benz.
What?
You didn't hear the comment?
It's expired.
No, I got it on tape. No, not
Okay.
not the tax. The
I
tax is the
don't have
tax
time to
is.
talk to you
Own
right now. I will
Mercedes.
talk to you in a second.
Okay, well you're engaging.
I'm giving the child
Fine,
some
fine,
food.
fine.
so-
Go ahead, go ahead. I got it on tape. See, my thing is I don't get involved, but when you doing dirty,
Yeah.
I can't respect you.
Most of these cops are dirty.
See, in the military, we got accountability. Now, in combat, when we say weapons free, you know, like when you hear them say police safety, you know, bro, when you rose your hand and took that oath to uphold the Constitution and the laws is governed in the area that you patrol, your life is on the line. When I raised my hand and took that oath, to protect this country, my life was on the line. It is no soldier safety, it is no officer safety, because that's the job. If it's officer safety, then you shouldn't be a police officer.
Alright, that's gonna do it for this interaction. I really like what this man said at the end of the video. In the military, they had accountability, and in police departments, they don't. I've heard that numerous times from many veterans whenever the topic of police is brought up in our conversation. Unfortunately, the man filming this interaction was called into the office by his manager and was told to stay away from the police after this incident took place. But that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Let me know your thoughts below in the comment section, and don't forget to go subscribe to The Last Castle, news by We the People. Thank you for watching Audit the Law.